Hello, this is Rachel again, and now let me continue my discussions on inventory planning and management. Still, it is belong in economic order quantity, or the EOQ. I have here the problem sample number 2. A company has 250-day working year and wants to find the number of order and the expected time between orders with the below conditions. Order quantity 200 units, the demand per year 1,000 needles, ordering cost per order $10, holding cost per unit per year $0.50. I have here the solutions with the given figures above. So N, which is the number of order, equals demand over order quantity. So demand, which is 1,000 needles over 200 needles as the order quantity. I have here the N, which is the number of orders per year, which is 5 orders. So for the T, which is the lead time between orders, so I have this formula, number of working days per year over the expected number of orders. I have the number of orders per year, which is 250 days in a year, and 5 orders as the expected number of orders. So I have the lead time per order, which is 50 days. So if the company wants to determine the combined annual ordering and holding cost, I have this formula. Total cost equals ordering plus handling cost. So for the ordering cost, I have D over O times S plus the handling cost, which is Q over 2 times H. So equals 1,000. For the ordering cost, we have 1,000 over 200 times $10 and plus the holding cost, which is 200 over 2 times $0.50. Total cost, which is $100. This is the combined annual ordering and handling cost. So what is the reorder points? Well, reorder point is the point in which the company should place the order considering the daily demand and the lead time of order. I have here the formula for the ROP, which is the demand per day times the lead time. So, or D, demands per day is in small letter d, times LT, which is the lead time, wherein D, as I mentioned, demand per day, and LT is the lead time. So either sample, problem sample number 3. A cell phone shop has an annual demand of 8,000 iPads. The store operates a 250-day working year. On average, delivery of an order takes 3 working days but has been known to take as long as 4 days. The store wants to calculate the reorder point with the safety stocks and without safety stocks. So the company wants to determine whether they apply the safety stocks or whether they do not apply the safety stocks. So, meaning to say, if they do not apply the safety stocks, they use 3 working days. But if they apply the safety stocks, they add 1 day as the safety stocks. I have here the computation for the demand per day, which is demand per year over number of working days in a year. So I have 8,000 over 250, which is 32 units as the demand per day. So for the reordering point, I have D times lead time. which is 32 units times 3 days as the lead time. This is without the safety stocks. And I have the reordering point is which is 96 units. Where in D, demand per day, and LT is the lead time. So if safety stock, which is 1 day, is applied or added, so the ROP is, we have ROP equals D times LT, which is the lead time, plus the 1 day, which is the safety stock. So I have 96 units plus 32 units. So the 32 units, this is the demand per day. So 128 units as the reordering point if I apply the 1 day safety stock. So, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.